Hi everyone, welcome to Flow with Nicole. Today's video is all about Christmas. As always, I'll start by reading a short journal and then we'll go over 10 key vocabulary words together. 聖誕節係我最鍾意嘅假期，因為可以同朋友交換禮物。今年嘅聖誕節我喺芬蘭過，我住喺網上好出名嘅玻璃屋，雖然好貴，但係好值得，因為瞓喺床上就可以見到北極光。呢度除咗有薑餅製作，都有各種同聖誕有關嘅有趣遊戲。酒店都有提供穿梭巴士俾客人前往聖誕村。聖誕村有一間郵局，我寄咗幾張明信片俾朋友。呢個旅程真係好好玩，我覺得每個人一生人都應該去一次。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 聖誕節、交換、出名、玻璃屋、值得、北極光、薑餅、穿梭巴士、郵局、明信片。Now let's go through the keywords from the short journal. First, 聖誕節。聖誕節 It means Christmas. 聖誕節係我最鍾意嘅假期。Christmas is my favorite holiday. Next, 交換。交換 This is the word for to exchange. 我會喺聖誕節同朋友交換禮物。I will exchange gifts with my friends at Christmas. After that, 出名。出名 which means famous. 芬蘭嘅玻璃屋喺網上好出名。The glass house in Finland are very famous online. Let's continue with 玻璃屋。玻璃屋 It means glass house. 住喺聖誕村嘅玻璃屋好貴。Staying in the glass house in the Christmas village is expensive. Let's look at 值得。值得 This word means worth it. 雖然好貴，但係可以睇到北極光好值得。Although it's expensive, being able to see the northern lights is totally worth it. Then we have 北極光。北極光 This is the term for northern lights. 今次係我第一次睇北極光。This is my first time seeing the northern lights. Moving on. 薑餅薑餅 This refers to gingerbread. 我參加薑餅製作嘅活動. I joined a gingerbread making activity. Up next, 穿梭巴士穿梭巴士 This is the word for shuttle bus. 酒店提供穿梭巴士去機場. The hotel provides a shuttle bus to the airport. Next vocab is 郵局郵局 It means post office. 我喺郵局買咗郵票. I bought stamps at the post office. Finally, 明信片明信片 which means postcard. 我寄咗明信片俾你. I sent you a postcard. Let's quickly review the keywords we covered today. Please repeat after me. 聖誕節 Christmas 交換 to exchange 出名 famous 玻璃屋 glass house 值得 worth it 北極光薑餅 gingerbread 穿梭巴士 shuttle bus 郵局 post office 明信片 postcard. Before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. I'll describe a phrase and you will try to guess it. Think about it for a moment and then I'll review the answer. First question. 呢個假期係喺每年嘅12月25號. This holiday is on December 25th every year. The answer is 聖誕節 Christmas. Second question. 你俾一樣嘢同時都收到一樣嘢. You give something and at the same time receive something in return. The answer is 交換 to exchange. Third question. 一個人一樣嘢或者一個地方好多人知道. A person, a thing, or a place that many people know about. The answer is 出名 famous. Moving on. 呢個建築物係透明嘅. This building is transparent. The answer is 玻璃屋 glass house. Next question. 呢個係指行為或者付出嘅努力有價值. This refers to an action or effort that is valuable or worthwhile. The answer is 值得 worth it. Let's try this one. 呢個自然奇景係夜晚喺天空出現夢幻嘅光. This natural phenomenon appears in the night sky as dreamy, magical lights. The answer is 北極光 Northern Lights. Up next. 呢個甜品喺聖誕節好常見，可以整成屋做裝飾。This dessert is very common during Christmas and can be made into houses as decorations. The answer is 薑餅 Gingerbread. Moving on. 酒店提供接送客人嘅交通工具。This is the transportation provided by the hotel to take guests from one place to another. The answer is 穿梭巴士 Shuttle bus. Next question. 呢個地方可以買郵票。This is the place where you can buy stamps. The answer is 郵局 Post office. Final question. 呢個係一種通訊性質嘅卡片式郵件。This is a type of card-style mail used for communication. The answer is 明信片 postcard. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!